Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues on your headphones Adidas RPD 01. You have to start by make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on, and after that click on the headphones. If it doesn't help you, we should turn off and turn on the headphones. So just press and hold for 2 seconds and make it again to turn on. And we have it. If it also doesn't help you, you should remove and add your headphones. So click on information icon or settings icon if you have Android. Then forget this device, forget device. Now turn on the headphones. Here we go, and turn on it again. Here we go. Now we should see, click on your headphones, and we have it. And if it also doesn't help you, we should make a hard reset. To make a hard reset, press and hold middle button on your headphones and action button for the same time for at least 10 seconds until you can see the purple LED light. So let's do it. And here we go, we have it. Now click the information icon or settings icon. Forget this device, forget device. Cool, now turn off your headphones and turn on it again. Here we go. And now we should see our headphones. Right here. Oh, here. Click on it. And we did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.